Hello friends, so today we are in the Orangeville Drive Test Center. So I will show you the G2 route. You park your car and you know your car plate number, color and spot number, and go inside and enter your details on the kiosk, and when you receive a ticket and come back and sit in your car and your test will start. Okay, so now we go left. Check safe both side, and then you turn, make sure there is no pedestrian, unsafe. So again for G2 the common route is, okay, turn right, here, check safe both side. Okay, now turn left. So again there's a two routes, sometimes they send you left, sometimes they send you right. Now we are going left. There's no stop sign, make sure you complete stop, check safe both side. When it's 100% safe, then you turn, don't take risk. Okay, the speed limit here is 50. So from here the one lane is converted into two lanes, so then you make sure you stay in the right lane. Okay, so because we always drive in the right lane, so here you stay in the right. Okay, then examiner will tell you change the lane left when it is safe. Okay, and check blind spot safe here, turn left. So here's a dead end, there is no incoming traffic. You scan your mirrors, traffic lights. Okay, turn left, the first lane, then you automatically change lane back to right when it is safe. So speed limit on this road is 60. Okay, so you maintain that speed. So here so there is a 2-3 roads, so examiner will tell you any of the road, I mean street, turn right, okay, or turn left. It's depend to the examiner. Okay, so now the speed limit is 50 here. Okay, so turn left, change the lane left, and turn left in this street. Sometimes they tell you on this street, sometimes in the next street, so it's depend. Okay, so there's a, I told you there are 2-3 roads, any of the street they tell you for that left. Okay, so in evening most time this road is little busy. Okay, check safe blind spot, left. So inside just a safe speed, and then sometime you go straight or sometime turn right here and check safe. So begin 40. signal right, check safe. Okay, now you perform 3-point turn when it is safe. Check blind spot safe, then complete stop, perform 3-point turn. Safe selection, signal, check safe, mirrors. Okay, now you perform downhill parking when safe. Okay, park and brake. Okay, then go straight when safe. Okay, make sure you turn the wheel straight first and turn left. Okay, complete stop, check safe. So see, that's again depend. Sometimes they tell you, okay, if they find the car, okay, tell you about the parallel parking, and sometimes not. So it's depend, the examiner to examiner. If they feel safe, they find any road safe, then no, the speed limit is 40 here. Okay, so turn left on the stop sign. So if they're not telling you about the parallel parking, then you have to perform reverse parking in the drive test center. But if they find any car that's safe, then you have to perform the parallel parking. Street. Check safe both sides. Second stop and safe. Okay, then go make sure there's no car from the other side, and then you go straight and back to the drive test center. Check left, right. Speed limit is 60. Sometimes they tell you here change the lane left when it is safe. Okay, so change the lane right when it is safe. Then turn right here.
How can I help you?
right here, check blind spot safe, and then right here. So now you see the road is, merged to the left, then you change the lane left automatically. Check safe. Speed limit here is 50 here. So here, turn right. So in the drive test center plaza. So make sure this 50 board after, then you ready here. Turn right. Check safe blind spot. And here you turn left. Safe, make sure, and then you reverse park any of the spot. So 1, 2, 3 thing you have to use to reverse park. Make sure don't stay close. White, right, check safe back, and then go. Then you're done. So make sure, don't waste your time and money. Just take good practice. Sufficient lesson with the professional driver instructors, and then you're good. Thanks. Drive safe. Good luck. Hello friends, if you want to learn safe driving and pass your road test, join Pb2ca Driving School. I try my best to teach you as per the MTO standard, then you pass your road test and save your time and money. For the route, it's just an idea. Examiner will change the route anytime. Don't stay on the just route. Go with the good practice, join professional driving instructor and school, then you pass your road test and enjoy the driving. Drive safe.